Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice latest version, that is 24.8.4 on Ubuntu 24.04.1. But the process is same on all Ubuntu versions. First verify whether we have any LibreOffice Calc. See, you don't have anything. Even if you try with Office, see, you don't have any Office products. Okay, so open Firefox, then go to LibreOffice.org. See here, the current version of LibreOffice is 24.8. Okay, so click on download, then click on download LibreOffice. See, for Ubuntu we have to select .debian package, so select Debian and click on download. Wait a moment, it is going to download and its size is about 200 megabytes. See, download started and see, its size is 200 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, cd downloads ls. See here, we have the LibreOffice 24.84 zip file. So we have to unzip this file, tar-xvf, then give the LibreOffice, give the first 2-3 letters and then give the space to autofill entire file name and hit enter. ls, Ctrl L to clear screen, ls. See here, we have the LibreOffice folder. Go to LibreOffice folder, ls, again go to debs, ls. See here, we have the list of the Debian packages. These packages needs to be installed. So okay, sudo dpkg -i *.deb, hit enter. This typo, I have to give the space between I and star. Okay, hit enter. It is done. Now go to start, show apps. See here, we have the different LibreOffice application. Before we don't have. Even if you search for Calc, see, we have the LibreOffice. Calc means it is like Excel, and Writer means it is like Windows, Microsoft Windows Office Writer. Okay, let us open this Excel like application. So it is LibreOffice Calc. Click on it. Okay, this is one way of installing. Otherwise, go to show app center. Now search for LibreOffice. Hit enter. See, this is the LibreOffice Calc application. You want to see the version, help about LibreOffice. See here, we have installed LibreOffice 24.8. Close it. Close this one. See here, we have the LibreOffice. Okay, then you have to select it and you have to install. But this is the older compared to the installed version. So we have seen two ways. Now go to terminal, ls. These files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed. Okay, go to cd up, one more directory. Now remove this entire directory, rm-rf, then give the LibreOffice, then give star / hit enter. See, the directory not gone. Go up one more directory. Now remove this LibreOffice, cd downloads ls, remove this directory. So remove this tar file also, ls. So we have successfully cleared the space. So in this video we have seen two ways to install LibreOffice 24.8 version on Ubuntu 24.04.1 operating systems. But the sub process is same on all Ubuntu versions. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.